How to fix Xbox redeem code errors on PC. So if you want to fix redeem code error on your PC from Xbox, then what you need to do is check the instruction that came with your code while redeeming your Xbox code on your PC. Don't worry, I've got two simple solutions to fix this issue, whether it's a region mismatch or a setup problem. Let's get you sorted. So the first step is to set the correct region while creating your Outlook email. When you create your Outlook account, Microsoft ties it to the region you choose. If the region doesn't match with the one required for your Xbox code or gift card, you'll face errors. So here's how you can avoid it. You can go with Outlook.com and start creating an account. And during sign up, carefully select the region where the code or gift card applies. Once created, use this email to log into your Xbox account. If your current account is tied to the wrong region, it's best to create a new email with the correct setting. Or the step 2 is to change the region on your PC. If your email region is correct, but you're still seeing errors on your PC settings, might be the issue, so fix it. So right click on the clock or the system tray, and here go with adjust date and time, and select the date and time or the time zone matching your Xbox account and the code. After that, restart your PC to ensure the settings have been applied. This step is crucial for syncing your PC and Xbox services. And that's it. By ensuring the correct region in your Outlook account and your PC settings, you'll be able to redeem your code. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.